Have you heard of Eldorado.gg and how people are actually making money selling digital items there? It's one of the cleanest marketplaces right now for gamers, especially if you're into selling game currency, items, accounts, or even boosting services. So here's how you sell on Eldorado step by step. First, go to the site and create a seller account, then complete the identity verification because Eldorado prioritizes secure transactions, which helps you get buyer trust and faster payouts. After your account is set, choose what game you're selling for and select the category. Maybe it's gold, skins, a stacked account, or leveling service. When writing your offer, keep it real and detailed. List your delivery time and price it competitively by checking similar listings so you can actually get clicks and sales. Once your offer is live, buyers can message you or place an order directly. And when they do, make sure you deliver exactly what you promised because good ratings matter a ton on this platform. After the order is completed, the payment goes into your wallet and you can cash out through supported methods like bank transfer, PayPal, or crypto, depending on your region. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.